Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1973 Dodge Dart factory 340 car. Man, this is a great little car. I've been driving this car around a little bit. This car is nice. I apologize right now. You can see it's already sprinkling, but we actually have snow coming. So we're going to do whatever we can do to try to get this thing done. Because our weather for the next couple of days is going to be terrible. So, beautiful little car. The guy I bought it from, he really knew nothing about the car. He's not a Mopar guy. Said he's a car guy, but said he really didn't know anything about it. Said he's had it for about 5-6 years. Said it's just been a great car. When he bought it, it had just been restored. So the restoration on this car is he said about 6 years old. It was a body up. You can see it has a very rare factory sunroof, which does work. I apologize, guys, if you're seeing this. It's just sprinkles. Car's been completely repainted. All the bumpers and trim, this stuff's original on this car. And I'll tell you what, I'll bet you this car has always been a very well-maintained car. Again, original bumpers. You can kind of pick at those a little bit, but they're straight, they're nice. Car hits the road outstanding. Again, gorgeous paint on it. I wish we had some sunshine because the car looks great. All the original factory glass on it. Matter of fact, I'll show you on that side. It has one little mark from one of the wipers. It's got the pop-out rear windows. Again, factory sunroof, and it works. And you can see it's nice and clean in there. I know everybody's already asking me. No, it's not rusted out in there, and it works great. The factory white half vinyl top on it. Again, gorgeous paint. Cars looks like it's got all the original body panels on it. Look at how nice these are, and they're original. That's what I mean. This car has always been a nice car. But he said all he ever did was put gas in it and drive it. It's only got 670 miles on it, on the Resto. Look how clean and straight it is down the sides. Nice set of 17-inch American Racing Torque Thrust 2 wheels on it. It's got, I think it's got ZR rated. I know at least the rears are ZR. But pretty good sized tires on it. I think 255s on the rear, and then it's got 225s on the front. Look how straight that car is. I love the color combination. Clean, straight. I mean, this car is nice, and it runs and drives. I'd probably put 15 miles on it. Good little car. Front disc brakes. Slick car. Now, this is a factory H-code 340 car. It actually has a built 318 underneath the hood. And when we fire it up, you'd never know this thing doesn't have a 340 in it, but it's actually a 318. Edelbrock 4-barrel, Mopar Performance aluminum intake. Nice little camshaft in it, headers, power steering, power disc brakes. Does have electronic ignition, and this thing will scoot, man. It's got a great running little 318 in it. Mopar radiator. It does have the matching number 727 Torqueflite automatic trans with a little stall speed converter in it, probably like a 2200. Really cool little car. Again, gorgeous paint on it. It has really slick paint. There's I don't know if you're going to be able to see it or not, but yeah, there it is. There's just a little rub mark from probably an old wiper arm or something. Original chrome mirror. Look how nice that thing is. These are the original door handles. Now, new door rubbers. Again, door seams, look how clean they are. It's got all new Legendary Parchment, like a two-tone interior in it, which is gorgeous. Did a really nice job with that. New carpet. These are the original sill plates. Again, interior is very, very nice. Very nice. You can nitpick the steering wheel a little bit. Yeah, 669 miles in there on your resto. It's got the factory wood grain dash. That's all original. AM radio works. Blower motor works. Original owner's manuals in the glove box. It's got a really nice sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust system on it. It's got the factory rear axle with a 323 Sure Grip. Really nice underneath. Again, all original body panels on this car. The spares in here. Doggone it. Sorry, it's cold out here, so. But it's got all the panels, factory jack with spares in here. Everything opens and closes real nice. The fit and finish is really nice on the car. Again, look at the bottom. The car is very nice underneath. It's body color on the floors. If somebody wants a great little cruiser, man, you're really going to like this car. Little mark there on your armrest. Again, seats are really nice. They've completely redone those, repadded, refoamed them. A little crack there in your trim on your dash. Wait till Nathan fires this thing up. It's got a great sounding little 318 in it. Nasty little cam to it, and it's strong. It runs strong. Like I say, if I didn't tell you, nobody wouldn't know that this thing didn't have a 340 in it. Listen to it. Gauges are all functional. Again, everything opens and closes real nice. Fit and finish is really nice on it. Our brake lights aren't working. I know the brake lights aren't working. We just went through all the lights. Mess with your brake switch down there. I bet you it didn't seem like it was coming on. Radio does work. You can hear it's staticky, but it does work. Blower motor, there it goes. So we just got to get a station. Blower motor does work. Well, see, I know the wipers do work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button here at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. Look at that little car, man. Killer little car. Sits good. Like I say, it's got gorgeous paint on it.